Hello everyone, myself Anshul Purva, and now we will discuss about 7 tools of quality management system. These 7 tools are used for continuous improvement process. The first tool is flowchart. What is a flowchart used for? It is used to describe a process, to see the different activities or tasks involving the process, and to provide a clear picture of what is happening. When a flowchart used, it can be used for any processes, enables problem area to be identified, and used to identify unnecessary loops of activities. How is flowchart constructed? The following symbols are used for different parts of the process. Each process has a start and end. Each activity is identified. Decision points are identified. Other complex processes may be involved, and all records are identified. The second tool is cause and effect diagram. It is also known as Ishikawa or a fishbone diagram. What is cause and effect diagram used for? It is used to identify all the causes which contributes to particular effect, used to aid brainstorming. When are cause and effect diagrams used? It is used to identify things which combine to give a problem, or used to look at the various factors which contributed to produce a desired outcome. How is cause and effect diagram constructed? The following steps are taken. The problem or desired outcome is placed at the head of fishbone skeleton. The main categories of cause are identified. The categories are brainstormed to identify specific contributory cause. The next tool is check sheets. What is a check sheet used for? It is used to collect data about an activity in a way that is easy to use and analyze. When is check sheet used? It is used to count the number of times something happens. It is used in many different ways to collect data. Each type serves a different function. How is check sheet constructed? The following are the steps taken to construct a check sheet. Identify the types of fault or occurrence. Record each time a fault or occurrence is observed. The next tool is Pareto chart. What is a Pareto chart used for? It is used to assess the relative importance of different causes of problems. When is Pareto chart used for? It is used to identify the cause of problem which occur most often. Used to rank cause from most occurrence to least occurrence. Pareto contend that 80% of problem were result of 20% of cause. How Pareto chart is constructed? The following are the steps taken to create a Pareto chart. Choose the comparison unit. Record the comparison unit on the vertical axis. Place the causes on the horizontal axis from most occurrence on the left to the least occurrence on the right. Next tool is histogram. What is a histogram used for? Used to look at data that can be arranged into a groups. When is histogram used? Used to examine a large amount of data. How is histogram constructed? The following steps are taken to construct a histogram. Choose the measurement, select an appropriate range, plot a measurement range on the horizontal axis, plot the number of each range on vertical axis. Next tool is scatter diagram. What is scatter diagram used for? Used to see if there is a relationship between two different things. When is a scatter diagram used? It is used to see if as one measurement changes the other, one increases or decreases. Used to see if there is no relationship between two measurements. How is a scatter diagram constructed? The following are the steps to be taken to construct a scatter diagram. Choose the two measurements that you think are related. Plot one measurement on vertical axis. Plot the other measurement related to the first on the horizontal axis as a data pairs. The next tool is control chart. What is control chart used for? It is used to identify acceptable variation of a measure. When is control chart used? It helps to determine if there is a problem within the process. Measure outside the limits show there is a problem with a process. How is control chart constructed? The following steps are taken to create a control chart. Draw a line to represent the upper limit, above which measurement will not be accepted. Draw a line to represent the lower limit below which measurement will not be acceptable. Now we will see choosing the correct tool. How do we choose the correct tool? The first, what do we want to measure? What do we want to achieve? What form does the data taken? And what do we want to do with the results? Thank you for watching us. If you have any questions, doubts or query, you can write a mail on our email ID given below.